皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。 Are you ready, Parsi? Let's go!
Hey everyone, thanks Hikari for that great introduction as usual, and I want to welcome you all back to the Social English Podcast. I hope I didn't speak too fast just now. Normally I speak in a slower pace for you, but today we are going to be talking about another episode involving the question: how do you talk about health food and health food products to your friends that speak English? Okay. Today we're going to talk about that particular idea, and we will explore that, and you will get a chance to hear correct English and the wrong English and how to fix that today on today's episode of the Social English Podcast. I am your host, Percy. I welcome you here today. And hey, if you have not subscribed, guess what? We talk about English culture, North American English culture, to help you learn English, social situations, and we also have a listener or a reader that writes in or asks us to fix their English, and we fix it in the podcast so you can listen along and hear how to correct this English as well. This way, you can learn social English and improve your skills a little bit every day. Okay, now today, again, like I said, today is another episode of the Social English Repair Shop. The Social English Repair Shop, where we are going to take some listeners' social English, a Japanese learner, they're studying English, right? And we're going to take their English passage or English dialogue or sentence and translate it. Today we are going to take Jun-san's information here. We're going to take their dialogue, and we're going to take Jun's dialogue. We're going to tell you what he wrote in English, when we're going to correct it for him today and for you to listen, and we will give you the correct social English version of what he said. Okay, so before we start, I want you to again think about, consider, okay, me and you. I am your friend. I'm your friend from America. We are sitting down in your cafe of your choice, just relaxing, having a coffee, maybe a snack, biscuit, maybe a cookie, or maybe even a muffin. We're sitting here as friends, and I am telling you about English because you have questions, and I'm here to help you as your friend and coach you through social English so that you can become a better English speaker. Okay, so today let's look at our key phrase, our key dialogue. So let's look at our key dialogue that we're going to correct today. So here is the dialogue. Now remember, we are trying to talk about health food and explain health food effects and how to use a particular health food product. Here we go. Here is the original English from Jun-san, a Japanese learner of English. See or listen to hear if you can hear the problems with this English. Okay, let's start. If you heat it up with hot water, the iron will dissolve in it. By drinking the water, you can supplement your body's iron. So I guess that product is more like a health food. Whether it will help you lose weight or not is unknown to me. Okay, one more time. If you heat it up with hot water, the iron will dissolve in it. By drinking the water, you can supplement your body's iron needs. So I guess that product is more like a health food. Whether it will help you lose weight or not is unknown to me. Okay, that is the passage for today, and that is what the Japanese learner of English, June, asked me to correct today on the Social English Podcast. Now, because there is a lot of sentences going on, I'm going to separate each sentence, and then I'm going to give you a Social English version. Now, the Social English version today, I will take some of these sentences and rephrase them and make them shorter and cleaner and more easy to understand for your English listener. Okay, so let's start. The Social English version. After you dissolve the iron in hot water, you can drink the product. I believe this product is a health food product, but I'm not sure if it will help you lose weight. Okay, one more time. After you dissolve the iron in hot water, you can drink the product. I believe this product is a health food, but I'm not sure if it will help you lose weight. Okay, now that is the corrected English version of June's dialogue. Let's go piece by piece, and I will show you where the Social English version changes the original version. Okay, let's start. If you heat it up with hot water, the iron will dissolve in it. By drinking the water, you can supplement your body's iron. Social English version. After you dissolve the iron in hot water, you can drink the product. Original version. I guess that product is more like a health food. Whether it will help you lose weight or not is unknown to me. Social English version. I believe this product is a health food, but I'm not sure if it will help you lose weight. I believe this product is a health food product, but I'm not sure if it will help you lose weight. Okay, so that is pretty much it for today's episode of the Social English Podcast. Now, you can listen to this podcast, this particular episode, at slower speed if you did not understand what I said today, and that would help you improve or not. Notice that in the sentence that I said today, I shorten the version of the sentence to make it more conversational and to have it have a clear meaning in English. Now, I'm so grateful for you to join us today, and this is pretty much the close of the episode, but what I want to ask you is, do you know what the 7 mistakes most Japanese learners of English make are, and how to fix them? Well, I made a PDF for you, the listener, to download for free. All you have to do is go to realsocialenglish.com, put your email in the box, and you can download this free PDF for you to help improve your English. Also, we are having a 5,000 yen. That's right, 5,000 yen Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do to enter this contest, I will pick a person. The way to enter the contest is you must do 3 things. Number 1, subscribe to the podcast. Number 2, you must share with 5 people on social media. Okay, Twitter, Mixi, Line, Facebook, even Instagram. But you must share our podcast with 5 people, and you must also download the 7 mistakes PDF with your email address. Do those 3 things. You will be entered into our contest where you can win 5,000 yen Amazon gift card. Okay, now, a couple of more things. If you are interested in learning more about us, more about Social English, you can always find for free some of our resources on our website. Okay, at realsocialenglish.com, you can also find blogs that talk about these shows in detail, show notes for every single show, as well as more information. Don't forget that you can find us on all of your social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and you can subscribe to us on your favorite podcast channels. Don't forget to subscribe Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and Stitcher, or wherever else that you find your favorite podcasts. With that being said, hey, it was great listening to you today, and Hikari, take it away.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.